How to fix Instagram password not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram password not working. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So first, make sure you're connected to a good and stable internet connection. After that, even after you're connected to a new and stronger network, if it does not work, open up your Instagram app. After you do that, you'll then need to let's add an account. So after you're on this section, type in your username or email or mobile number. Then on the password section, just type in the password that you think is right. Tap on login, and if you get a pop-up that says send email, tap on the send email option. If not, you will get a pop-up directly that will send you a mail. So just head over to your Gmail, check if you have received such email. This is basically resetting your email. Now from here, tap on reset your password or simply tap on login. If you want to reset, tap on reset your password. I'll just log in. Tap on login and you'll get logged in into your account directly. So for this, you will need to have access to your associated email account. So if you don't have that, you can also use your mobile number. And that's basically it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.